Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and restore past chats in Claude AI. If you've ever had an important conversation with Claude and later wanted to go back, review the information, or continue where you left off, your chat history can make that process much easier. So let's get started. First, open Claude AI on your computer or mobile device. You can use the Claude website or the app, depending on which platform you're using. Once Claude is open, make sure you're signed into the same account you used when you created the conversation you're trying to find. This is very important because your previous conversations are connected to your account. If you sign in with a different account, you may not see the chats you're trying to find. After signing in, look for the conversation history or sidebar. On the desktop version, your previous conversations are generally accessible from the navigation area. On a smaller screen, you may need to open the menu first to access your chat history. Once you've opened your conversation list, you'll see your previous chats organized so you can find the conversation you need. If you have a lot of conversations, don't worry, you don't necessarily have to scroll through everything manually. Look for a conversation title or topic that matches what you remember discussing. If a search option is available in your current Claude interface, you can also use it to locate a specific conversation more quickly. Once you find the chat you're looking for, simply click or tap on it. Claude should open the conversation and display the previous messages. From here, you can review the information, copy anything you need, or continue the conversation from where you left off. This is especially useful if you are working on a project, writing something, researching a topic, or simply had a conversation you want to revisit later. However, keep in mind that a conversation may not be available if it was deleted, removed, or isn't associated with the account you're currently using. So, always make sure you're signed into the correct account before assuming a conversation is missing. And that's basically how you can find and restore your past chats in Claude AI. Open Claude, sign into the correct account, access your conversation history, find the chat you want, and open it to continue where you left off. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more simple AI and technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.